Put yourself first to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom or expression today is to put yourself first, or I would say put your business first. What does this mean, and what are some reasons to do that? Now, this idiom to me reminds me of the idiom, you have to love yourself before you can love anyone else. And of course, that is from the Bible, Matthew 22:34-40. And it's one of those things that we know, but we don't necessarily always practice. I have been very bad about practicing putting myself first. Although the older I get, and since I had a sudden cardiac arrest, I'm much better about it. I'm much better about remembering. And, you know, we always knew it, but in the back of our mind, we don't necessarily do it, depending on the type of person that we are, right? There's a difference between selfish and selfless. There's also a happy medium where we need to make sure that if we don't take care of ourselves, we're not going to be around to take care of anyone else. And for like 50 years, I forgot that. And then I had a dead stop reminder that really brought home the lesson that I'd been getting cues for in messages, but I had not been listening to and following. I hadn't been listening to my body. I hadn't been listening to my brain. I hadn't been listening to people around me saying, hey, you're going to burn out, because I was busy taking care of everybody and everything else first. And then whatever was left over, I would trickle down and do. And that doesn't work. You know, it's like trickle down management. It doesn't work. Trickle down economy. It doesn't work. It sounds interesting in theory, but it actually doesn't work. So I actually love this idiom and expression. It reminds me that we have to set our priorities based on who we are and what's authentic and right for us, and that includes our business. We have to create the business that we want to see in the world, the one that makes the world a better place, that makes us feel good. So what are 5 reasons to put yourself first? I'm going to grab a magnifying glass and share these because I thought they were pretty good, and they actually apply to our business as well as to us as individuals. Number 1, the people who love you most, the people you love most love you too, and they want you to be around, and they want you to take care of yourself. Number 2, when you're burnt out, you simply can't be good at anything. You can't have a good life. You can't enjoy your life if you're burnt out and tired and exhausted all the time, or if you're running through your life. I spent a lot of decades running through my life, and I don't remember much of that because I was so busy doing, and not necessarily enjoying and experiencing what was going on around me. Number 3, resting isn't an option, it's a requirement. We have to sleep every night for a reason. Our bodies need to recharge and replenish. We need to eat, we need to hydrate, we need to do the things that are good for us in order to keep our bodies going. You know what? We only get this one body, and if we burn it out and wreck it, we're not going to be around to run our business or to do whatever it is we want in our life. Number 4, pushing yourself past your personal threshold can actually make you physically sick. It can actually kill you. I am a testament to that. And then finally, number 5, energy transfers to the ones that we love. So if we love our customers and we have energy and we're excited about working with them and serving them, that energy doesn't just stay with us. It's what's it called? Contagious, and it goes out to the people that we love, the people that we're here to serve. So I'd love to know your take on this particular idiom. Do you put yourself first? Do you remember to put yourself first? I think that it comes down to being true to ourselves and knowing that putting ourselves first is setting a good example for other people. And we want to be an example, right? Not a warning. I used to be a warning. Now I like to be an example. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business right now?